Hi, I know that every parent wants to provide the best quality education that's available for your child. Hold on. What does best quality education mean? Well, it's just three very simple but essential things. Quality of teachers who teach the child the best material for regular self-study that a child will need to do. And every child is unique. So, one-on-one personal attention to guide a child. If you can ensure that these three essential components are given to your child, rest assured that you have checked all the boxes that are necessary for providing quality education. Now, to ensure that every parent can do so, we have introduced BYJU'S classes. This is an online tuition program with sessions taught by India's best teachers and live doubt solving during the class. Along with these sessions, your child receives one-on-one personal attention with dedicated BYJU'S mentor. Let me explain how. BYJU'S classes is a holistic learning program that has 4 specifically crafted elements to take care of your child's needs. These are interactive classes by India's best teachers with live doubt solving, high-quality video lessons and practice modules on BYJU'S The Learning app, one-on-one attention from dedicated BYJU'S mentors, and each student also gets personalized extra classes. Now, let's get into each of these elements one by one and see how these can actually help your child. But before that, you need to pick a batch. There are multiple batches that are available. You can pick either a weekend or a weekday option. In fact, you get to choose a batch based on your convenience of day and time. All right, what happens in these classes? Like I've already told you, these classes are taken by India's best teachers who have experience of teaching lakhs of students across the country. In fact, some of us teachers are co-founders of BYJU'S, the world's largest edutech company. Let me repeat this for you. Your child will be taking classes with the best teachers in the country. The classes are designed to explain each and every concept in the most effective manner. We use visualizations and simulations to make sure that your child will understand every concept properly. Your child also gets to actively participate in class through many interactive features. Also, during class, doubts are clarified live, clarified instantly. After every class, students get to practice all the concepts that were explained in class through engaging post-class homework. In addition, regular monthly and quarterly tests are conducted to analyze your child's progress. This makes sure that your child is always exam ready. This is the best online learning program that your child can get. Okay, now the second element, self-study. You get complete access to high-quality video lessons on BYJU'S The Learning app. Well, BYJU'S is the most loved learning app as rated by students across the country. The app contains engaging and interactive video lessons on all concepts. Your child can learn and revise anytime, anywhere. The app's personalization engine identifies strengths and weaknesses and creates personalized learn journeys for your child. This ensures your child is able to strengthen weaker areas and master concepts. In fact, our research shows that 93% of students who attend the interactive live class and do self-study using BYJU'S The Learning app show marked improvement in their grades. Speaking of guidance on what and when to study, one-on-one attention is enabled by a dedicated BYJU'S mentor assigned to your child. Once every 15 days, the mentor will connect with the student to give advice and guidance on how to study better. Once every month, the mentor will also conduct a meeting with you, parents, with your child's progress report. You see, With this program, we get to check all the 3 essential points for quality education. Best teachers, checked. Best support for self-study, checked. One-on-one guidance, checked. That's not all. We at Byju's have something more to ensure that your child gets additional personal support as and when required. Personalized extra classes. You can schedule these additional extra classes if your child has missed a class, wants to revise for an exam, or wants to revise specific topics of his or her choice. This unique and powerful feature enables your child to focus on a topic or lesson that they need to strengthen. So, as you can see, Byju's classes gives your child everything that is needed for after-school learning.